A group of Spanish miners were heading back towards Mexico when they were ambushed by a band of Indians. The gold bars that they were carrying were buried quickly as they fled for their lives. They had no time to mark the area or the spot as they were being pursued. This story was later told to another group of Spanish miners that were heading back into the area.
Hello, welcome to Gold Fever Adventures. I'm Jack Tucker. Today, I'm going to be chasing what I believe is a Spanish treasure. Now, there's some markings up there on that hill that's led me to believe there is something there. I've talked to a few other people that are a little bit more knowledgeable in this than I am, and they say, yeah, there's definitely something there.
I'm kind of psychic.
So I am going to go investigate. I'm going to take me a metal detector. I'm going to hike up there. It's going to be a hike up there. It's pretty steep to get to the top. But I want to look for some signs and symbols and maybe some other evidence of maybe an open mine shaft or a mine shaft or something buried. You never know what I may find, but that's where I'm going to be doing. But anyways, I want to thank you guys coming along and sharing on these adventures. And hey, let's just go see if we can find us a Spanish treasure. Of course, you know, if we find it, we never found nothing.
I'm heading out at dawn. The sun begins to rise. With my shovel in my hand, I'll chase that golden prize. Each step's a treasure found.
This is what I find amazing. Let me climb up here. Look at that right here. This is for information or to report damage, right? 1981. This was put in 1981. A witness post. A witness post to what? A witness post to what? What are they witnessing here? I knew there was a treasure here. I knew it. Now, I don't think they're going to put that witness marker thing right on top of whatever it is that it's a witness to, but it's something close by. So you just kind of got to look around. There's an ATV trail here. Guess I could have, well, as far as I could have came anyways on the ATV, but whew, it's gonna be a hike up there. I don't think it'll be too bad, but it's gonna be a hike up there. Looking into the sun, but see, there's an eye catcher right there. Oh, I see nothing. Right there. And that rock's been placed on the top there. It's not natural. And that rock right there, that's been placed up there too. That's not natural. It's laid right on top there. This stuff's kind of all kind of a granite-y rock, or granite, I guess, and it's breaking down, decomposing, and when granite decomposes, it turns to sand, and it makes it very slick. And so that's what I'm dealing with, trying to climb up here. It's like almost one step forward and 2 steps back. Got a lot of greenstone up here too. It's a good sign for gold. Attached to the granite. The green. That's getting steep. Okay, I think I'm almost at the top. I think at this point, I'm going to turn this detector on. Just kind of see what I might find. Turn this on. Okay, let's see. Let's go. I'm in multi-volumes, okay. Search mode's okay. Noise cancellation. Perfect. Okay, let's go to ground balance. Okay, that's quiet. Set to go. Let's go see what we can find. I want to kind of check flat spots, maybe spots around rocks where they may have rolled a boulder over an opening or something. I'll tell you what, it's wide open country up here. Man, you can sure see a long ways. When you're down below looking up, you see stuff and you say, oh, I want to go up there, I'll check that area out right there. And you get up here, looks a lot different from up above, and it's a lot wider. Down below, I guess it's a smaller site till you get up above. So I'm not sure exactly where I was seeing stuff down below. I may have to do more of the drone fly around here. I do believe, though, that was my face right there. That was the nose, the mouth, and the eyes. So that treasure should be someplace right there. I have to make my way over there. There's another eye catcher hole right there. That bush is covering it up. It doesn't look like that rock is natural there. Looks like that's been placed. Right here on the highway. So once upon a time, that wouldn't have been the highway, that would have been a trail, a dirt road for passing stagecoaches and wagons and anything else that came on by. But here I am, pretty well at the top, on this side anyways. Need to somehow climb up here, I think. One thing about these places like around in here, you never know if there's any lions living down in there, you know? You don't know where they're hiding out at. You know they're up here somewhere. You'd sure hate to come face to face with one of them up here. I don't even have a pistol or anything either. I got a pick with a sharp pick on it. Well, here's one of them eye catchers. It doesn't look like that's normal. That looks like that's been set up there. So you can see that from way down there. I believe that is what they call an eye catcher, to lead you to something. Whew. Should have brought some water with me. I didn't know it was going to be this bad. You know, there was a dowser guy I talked to, and he told me, I showed him some pictures, and he told me the treasure would be right around this spot right here. From where these cacti were. So this professional dowser guy told me right in this area right there, which is right below where these cacti are. But Might be deeper than what this detector will go. This detector will probably only go down maybe 18 inches, a couple feet, depending on how big the target is. I do have a 2-box detector where they'll go down a lot further, several feet. I thought if I got some type of faint, good signal, I could bring it up here at another time. I may still have to bring it up here anyways and see what I can find. But let me continue to hunt around here and swing this detector. There's my first real target. It's under this rock. Huh, under that rock. Oh, there's no way I'm going to move that. There's no way I'm going to move that. Whew. Oh, it's kind of a loud signal too. Oh. Whew. I'm going to need something to move that out of the way. Oh, it's going to have to be another day. One thing I am not seeing up here is quartz. I have not seen one piece of quartz yet. Got another target. That's down the lower conductivity range too. That's a good sign. Let me dig this up. Oh crap. That's what that's going to be. A piece of foil. So what is a piece of tin foil doing up here? Somebody else has been up here too. They brought their dinner up here or something, huh? It's too heavy to be from a pack of smokes or something, so that's a piece of foil. Huh. Yeah, that's what that was. Maybe somebody else was marking something. Oh, look, and stacked rocks right there. It's like a bunch of piled up rocks. Looky here, there's my first quartz right there. Oh, right there. There's a whole stringer of it running right up through here. Whole stringer of it. Running right up there. It's all quartz running all the way up there. It's going down that way too. Runs all the way up this seam. Somebody else has been up here. See, they stacked that quartz right there. There's some more stacked down there. Yeah, somebody else knows about this. There's more quartz right there. Somebody else knows about this. They read the same, or found the same information I did about this area. So I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one. But did they find anything? There's a signal right there. That's kind of mid-range. Huh. I better dig this one up too. That I can get to. It's not under a rock. Man, that's hard packed. That is some hard packed stuff in there. That's just another rock. That's just another rock. Oh, it's still there. Oh, it's underneath that rock. I can't get to it. gold. Well, dug that out. Just a shotgun shell. I don't think it's very old. But, whew. Another one of them shotgun shells. Remington. I can read that one better. But not old. Not treasure. You know, when you're detecting for gold, see this contact zone? You got your darker dirt or your darker rocks and then your lighter stuff right through here. This is what's called the contact zone between the two. And those are places that you always want to detect.
I'm kind of psychic.
Well, that was quite the little hike. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow me if you want to learn more. You never know what we might just find. What I can show you anyways. Anyways, hey, I want to thank you guys coming along, sharing on these adventures. Please get out, create your own adventure. So until our paths cross again, you guys all take care. Have yourselves a fantastic day. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone.
Load up a truck, it's time to roll. With hearts so wild and a common goal. Chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains and rivers, we'll climb every hill. With the sun on our backs, we take our stand. Uncovering treasures buried in this land. This gold fever's got us running wild. In the heart of the land, we feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams never alone. With metal detectors singing in the breeze, we dig for the fortune, uncovering keys. With a gold pan in hand, we sift through the dirt. Each little glimmer makes our hearts surge.